Hello everyone, and this is Edmund Mindaros channel and here with another quick tutorial. At sa video ito ay tuturo ko on how to enable or disable status bar in Notepad on Windows 11. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process guys, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay dito lang sa start menu, so click mo lang yan. And then dito lang sa ating searching bar ay search lang natin yung Notepad. Okay, so click mo yung open. So ito yung Notepad dito sa ating Windows 11. Kung paano ba natin enable or disable yung status bar, dito lang sa taas ay makikita mo dito yung file, edit, and yung view. So i-click mo lang tong view. And then ang susunod ay kailangan mo lang select tong status bar. So i-click mo lang siya or check mo siya or uncheck. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa baba ay makikita mo dito na nag-appear na yung status bar niya. Kung gusto mo namang i-disable, so select mo lang dito yung view and then uncheck mo lang siya. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple mga kaibigan kung paano ba natin enable or disable ng status bar in Notepad sa Windows 11. So please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials and tips. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment below. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.